Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now we are going to see how to actually cite and create a reference while we write in our Word document. So for that purpose, we have already got our Zotero ready. So we have to keep our Zotero software open. That is a condition. If you want to use the Word add-in for Zotero. So Zotero is opening, and I also open the Word. So let me create a new Microsoft Word file. Okay, so this is a new Microsoft Word file, and what I will do, I will try to write something, some kind of argument or conclusion or discussion, whatever, based on some certain sources. So the main objective is to, when I write, I need to cite the sources. So how to do that? Okay, just a very basic and preliminary demonstration, basically for my students, but obviously anyone can use it. So let's say I want to see if there is any benefit of using artificial intelligence, that means AI, for the business students. Okay, so for looking into that, a good place is Google Scholar. So if we particularly want to look at the scholarly sources for our for making our conclusion, or for supporting our discussion. So Google Scholar is very simple, scholar.google.com. If you go there, now we need the keyword. One keyword is AI, then business student, and then another keyword will be benefit, because we want to see the benefits of using AI in business, for the business students. So let me search. We can change the keyword if it doesn't work. So we can see that we have got one article, artificial intelligence in business education, benefits and tools. Okay, so that can be a very good starting. So let's say we are not going to really do the research. So it is just a demonstration how to use the citation. Okay, so let us choose the first one because it is quite good for our purpose. So I can see that I will take the statement from the abstract. Actually, I'm not going to go into the full text. For advanced users, it may be necessary. So artificial intelligence in business education. So let us read the abstract. Understanding the impact of artificial intelligence on education is vital for guiding teachers in developing it, etc., etc. So they have done some study. I know that normally the results are written at the in the last part of the abstract. So let me see. Okay, results show learners appreciate AI for aiding teachers in administrative tasks. Okay, personalizing learning plans. So these are the things actually. So let me copy aiding teachers in administrative tasks, personalizing learning plans, and saving time. So these are the advantages. However, unfamiliar with most benefits of AI tools except computer vision, is computing, AI chatbots. The paper highlights the okay. So these are the main points that I intend to take. So let me copy it and then paste it here in the Word. Actually, you should not copy and paste. Okay? The purpose is normally what I do in my own practice. I write it in my notebook. Okay, not on the computer notebook, paper notebook. Okay, then I form the sentence. Anyway, so we have got several points. One is AI helps in aiding. Okay, let me write first. AI helps. So number one is by aiding teachers in administrative tasks, so that teachers can allocate more time for the students, and saving time. So these are the three sources. Okay, so this is from one article. and that is the article of Surugio or something like that. Surugio, Gradinaru, and another Surugio. Anyway, so let me just keep note which author. Okay, this is just a rough note. Anyway, so let me go back and find another evidence. Blending artificial intelligence in business education benefits and tools. Okay, 2025, very recent article. Let me go a little below. Okay, so because this is on marketing activities, probably this is also for the business students. Let me look at it. So, findings. The results of the research showed that all the factors and variables of the research have a positive and significant effect on the behavioral intention, except the perceived usefulness, which hypothesis was rejected, and the results showed us that the variables have been important and significant effect on the behavioral intention of the people, and by controlling. Actually, it does not directly say about any benefit. So let us look at another one. This one probably. Springer is a good one. Insights from this study can inform policy development. Okay, what are the insights then? Okay, students recognize the potential for personalized learning support, writing and brainstorming assistance, and research and analysis capabilities. However, concerns about accuracy, so these are the concerns. We are only focused about benefits. So these are the benefits according to which paper? This is the paper of Chan and Hu. Okay. So this is another source. So AI helps in terms of personalized learning support, then writing and brainstorming assistance, and research and analysis capabilities. So this is the paper of Chan and Hu. We use the last name usually. Okay, so actually, instead of instead of adding the papers later on, actually you should add the papers one by one. You should add the first paper in Zotero, then go look for the second source and then add it. Anyway, I'm doing it from the last one. So let me add this paper, because I'm going to use this paper and the previous one as my citation, as my support. So I have to cite these papers. To cite these papers, I have to add these papers in Zotero. Okay, so what I will do, I will actually download the citation. So you will find that somewhere, definitely you will have the scope for downloading, maybe here or maybe in the right side or maybe at the end of the description of the paper. Okay, somewhere you will definitely get it. Okay, so probably for this publisher the download option is at the bottom. Okay, download citation. Okay, not this one. This one actually indicates the references that has been used in this paper. Okay, so download citation, I have to click here, and usually it will be downloaded as an RIS file. Okay, RIS file. So I have got the citation. Now let me go back to the previous one. The reason I have said that you will download at the very beginning, whenever you select a paper, because you may lose the link. Anyway, I have not lost it. So let me go to this one again, and then I have to see if I get the link for downloading the citation. Unfortunately, I don't find. Okay, probably this is not a journal article. No, it is a journal article. So actually, we are getting it from an online library source. This is why we also don't have any DOI number anyway. So let me copy it. Let me go back to Google Scholar and see all 9 versions. Okay, what is the name of the journal? Let me check first. Amphite Economico or something like that. Anyway, so all 9 versions. I think this one. Okay, this one is the journal website. The journal website should provide us the option to download the citation. You can see download, no, BibTeX export. So this is another format. RIS is one format, BibTeX is another format. So I can, okay, actually I don't want to use this option. I want to download the BibTeX. So now if I go to the download list, you can see that we have also got another file. Previous one was RIS. Now this one is BIB, B-I-B. Okay. So now let me go to Zotero, and in my library, I have so many folders. So I will create a new folder or new collection, whatever I say. So new collection called AI business students, just some keyword, create collection. So a new collection is created, and this is very much necessary. Anyway, so now from here I will go for import. From file I will go to import. Okay, and then keep this selected, a file, that means either BibTeX or RIS or Zotero, RDF, etc. different. Actually, usually these two are used, BibTeX or RIS. Continue, and then select the file because it is downloaded in my downloads folder. So I select the downloads folder and then select this first one. First open. Okay, then let us keep the let us clear this checkbox because we don't want it to be imported in a new collection. We want to import it right in this collection. Okay, so continue, and you can see that it has been uploaded. So this is one. Okay, Chan and Hu. Now let me upload another one. Import, and then continue, and then this one, Surugio. Okay, open, clear this check mark, and then continue. So we have got the 2 papers. So this is the way we can upload using the export option. So there is another option. Okay, let me delete this too. Okay, let me delete these 2 first and then show you another option because you may find that one better. So remove item from collection, and also actually move items to trash. Okay, in that case it will be completely deleted. So it is not here in this collection anymore. So now how can I get these two citations from the article page? Actually very easy. You have to find the DOI number. Okay, so the DOI, you will find it somewhere. Okay, copy the DOI, Control C or Command C, and then go to Zotero, and then we have a something like wizard stick or something like that. Okay, so click here and then paste the DOI and then press enter. Okay, and you will see that it has been actually imported automatically. And you have to be online, of course. And then let us go to the second article. This one was our second article. No, not this one. This one was our second article. Okay, so now you have to find the DOI number. It will be somewhere on the journal page. You have to find it. Where is the DOI number? Some journals give it at the end, some journals give it at the beginning. Anyway, let us go down because we did not find it at the beginning. You can see that the DOI number is here. Okay, so this is the DOI. You can copy the entire one, no problem. Copy and then go to Zotero and here paste. Okay, and press enter, and you can see it is like a magic thing has been automatically imported in Zotero. Okay, so this is about article. What about adding book? For book you can do it very easily. You can copy the ISBN or you can simply type the ISBN of the textbook or any book, because that books only should have the ISBN. Okay, so you can click here and type the ISBN. So let me try to do that. For any of the book. Let me find a book first. Okay, I have opened a book. It can be PDF book or it can be printed book, no problem. Normally you will get the ISBN at the beginning of the book. Some book information will be there, and you can see probably the ISBN is here. Okay, International Standard Book Number or ISBN. So you can see this is the ISBN. So you can copy it, then go to Zotero and then click and paste here and then press enter. Sometimes it may not work or it may take some more time. Don't worry. So it has already been taken. You can see all the information are here. Okay, Introduction to Financial Models for Management and Planning. Okay, CRC Press, and you can see this is actually our book for referring. Okay, so this is how we can import the things. Now another thing is how to import the website. Sometimes you may find some critical information in the website. Okay, let's open one website, Investopedia. Okay, let's say we want to discuss something about relative strength index. Okay, RSI, and we want to take some text from here. We can see that RSI is a popular momentum oscillator introduced in 1978. So we take the content from here. Later on we will cite, this is why, and paste in the word as initial note. This is not our final one. Okay, so about RSI, one point is popular and another point is introduced in 1978, and also it is a momentum oscillator. So never keep the exactly copied content. You have to make your sentence by yourself, and this is from investopedia.com. Now let us see how to add this source, okay, this page, Investopedia, this page of investopedia.com in Zotero. To do that, let me go to Zotero. Actually, it will be a good practice for adding items manually, you know. So if you go here, you will see that we have several options, you know, different types of items that can be cited. So what we have done so far, we have used a book that has been done automatically from ISBN number, and we have also cited journal article that is also automatically done using DOI or by importing the RIS or BibTeX file. Okay, exporting from the journal article, then importing to Zotero. So that was done. Okay, now we can also do that by conference paper. Conference paper may also have DOI number, then it will be easier for you, but you can always do manually. So in our case, you know, the website content can have different types, like it can be a blog post, it can be encyclopedia article, it can be a report, okay, it can be online dictionary entry, you know, different kind. Even email can also be cited, but whether it is acceptable or not, that is a different question. Okay, so different things. A newspaper article, you know, you can cite. Magazine article, you can cite. You can cite different things, actually, software, video, TV broadcast, and all thesis and all these things. Anyway, because Investopedia is more like an encyclopedia, so let me choose this one, encyclopedia article. Okay, so you have got an empty record. So how to complete this record? So for completing, you have to go here, you know. So what is the title of the article? Go here and see the title is actually this one. This one is the title of the article. So copy it. Now this is a kind of manual entry. Okay, so relative stress index indicator explained with formula. Who are the authors? You can see the authors are actually one author. These are the reviewers. So we can see our author is this one. So let us copy. Let us copy. Okay, Control C. Then actually we have to use the last name first. Okay, let me check. The last name is Fernando. So Fernando will be here. Control X. And first name will be Jason. So only one author. And the title of the encyclopedia is Investopedia. Investopedia. Don't worry about all the things. We may not have every information, so you can ignore that because it is an online encyclopedia type setup. So we don't have all the volume and all this thing. Okay, online does not need any volume. So keep that empty, but if you get it from the printed one, then you should use the volume and all this thing. So publisher, if we get the information, let us see if we get easily, then we will provide. You can see dot dash Meredith Publishing family. Okay, so we can copy this one and go here and paste. So whichever information you get, you just add here. Okay, and then let us look at the date if we have any date. November 19, 2024. Okay, November 19, 2024. November 19, 2024. URL, that is important. Whenever you take content from the internet, you must provide the URL. That is very, very important. Okay. So date added and modified, these are automatically taken into account. We do not need any other information. So you can see that it is already updated here. Okay, so that's all. Anyway, so now let us see how to write. So let's start from this portion. Okay, we want to cite both of them, both this author and this author, and make a statement or discussion about. So this part was our note. So we are starting to write from here. So what are the benefits of AI, or how does AI helps the students? So we have got 6 points actually. One is it aids the teachers in administrative tasks, but we will not write this one because this is not about student. But in fact, this is indirectly a benefit for the students because student can get more time. Okay, so implementation of AI can free up more time of the teachers that could be allocated for aiding students or facilitating. I'm just writing very quickly, so don't worry about the standard. Okay, for aiding students learning effectiveness. So who has said that? Okay, now we will cite. So what we will do, we will cite Surugio. Okay, so we will go to Zotero. Make sure you Zotero and Word, both softwares must be open. Add edit citation. Click here. From the Zotero ribbon, click add edit, and then for the first time you will have to select the style. So I prefer the APA 7th edition, so I select this one. Normally this is mostly used. Okay, APA 7th edition, then okay. So that will be done for the first time. Okay, now you will get a box like this. So SURU, if you write maybe one or two words or sentences, then you will get it. So what is the title of the article? You can see this one is our article, artificial intelligence in business education and the tools. Okay, and if you click here, you will see that the authors are Surugio. And there is a mistake actually. University is not an author, so we should exclude this one. Okay, sometimes we also need to correct. We have two authors, Surugio. University is not an author, so we have to look at the article again. Sometimes one or two articles are very much problematic. Camellia Surugio, Gradinaro, and Surugio. Okay. Okay, these three are the authors. Romanian Academy is not an author. Anyway, now it is okay. So let me go back here in a Word. And press escape, or maybe we just delete it, start from the beginning. Learning effectiveness. Okay, now let us click here. Okay, now SURU, when you start typing the article name or whatever, because I have so many citations imported in Zotero, so I'll get more. Anyway, so you can see the author name also. Okay, click here and then press enter. Sorry about that. Let me do it again. So add edit citation, APA, okay, and then SURUG, and then press enter. You can see the citation has been added. So according to Surigio, we know that implementation of AI can free up some time and dot 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 dot. Okay, so this is one sentence. Then we can say that AI also helps students for remember, you are creating your own sentence. You never copy the sentence from the article. Okay, so you can see that two other benefits are supported by Surigio: personalizing learning plan and saving time. And you can see, according to Chen and Hu, we also have personalized learning support. Okay, so personalization of learning, okay, this is one benefit that is supported by both of them. Writing and brainstorming assistance, this is supported by second author, and research and analytics capabilities is supported by the second author. So let us write personalizing learning plan. It also helps students to personalize their way of learning, and this is supported by both of them. Okay, so we cite both of them. My intention is to show you how to show how to show multiple citations at a time. So add edit citation. This time it is not going to ask you, what is the style, because for one document normally we use one single style. So we have both Surugio, this one, and we also have Chan and Hu. So if I type Chan, so many, because Chan is a very common name. Okay, so we have so many articles, Chan and Hu. Still we have so many articles. So in that case, probably we go back to Zotero and see students' voices. So let us type, instead of the author's name, type the students' voices. You can see we have got it. Now press enter, and you will see that both of them are cited here. Okay, so AI also helps students to personalize their way of learning. In addition, students can save their time. This is supported by Surugio. So I'm doing it quickly now. Enter. Then and writing and brainstorming and assist in writing and brainstorming as well as research and analysis. So this is supported by Chan and Hu. Okay, enter. So this is how you can actually cite. Now let us write another paragraph that will be for RSI, completely different issue, but just to show you how it looks. So we can say that probably we just take one from here, RSI, the relative strength index, is a momentum oscillator that was introduced in 1978 is very popular. Okay, now I want to cite Investopedia. Okay, so Investopedia, Investo, okay, I've got it. Investopedia, enter. So because the article has been because the definitions has been written by Fernando, so it looks like this name has been come up in the citation. Okay, RSI, the relative strength index, is a momentum oscillator that was introduced in 1970s. It is very popular among the capital market analysts. Okay, so now our writing is done. Let's say our writing is done. We delete all the previous notes. These are just rough notes. You can also use other software for keeping note, no problem. Okay, now we want to add the reference list. Okay, so for doing that, you have to click add edit bibliography. Okay, and keep the cursor at the end of the document and then add edit bibliography, and it will be done automatically. Okay, so it is done. Now probably you, not probably, actually you should, references or reference, simple. Okay, now after it is generated, then if you want, you can actually change the, so all these are done using APA format. So you can do basic changes. For example, instead of left alignment, you can use right alignment, or you can reduce the line spacing to 1. Okay, nobody will stop you from doing that. Okay, whatever you like. So you can do like this, and then if you want, you can also change the citation style. Okay, for example, this document is done. So now if you go to document preferences, okay, you can change from American, say APA 7 to Chicago to Harvard, whatever. So let us go to Chicago style. This one. Okay, now it has changed. How does it change? For example, previously it was Surugio et al, but now it shows all. If you change to something Harvard, okay, now you have a different style. Okay, sometimes some elements of the styles are similar, but definitely there are some changes. Let us explore some other. Vancouver. Okay, so in that case, your citation is purely based on number. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so anyway, let us revert back to APA 7th, which is mostly used in our discipline. So when you change, you can see that the formatting may be needed to change again. I prefer it to have 1 or 1.5 anyway. So this is how you can create a document with citation and references using Zotero. I hope that you have understood. If you need some more explanations, okay, write in the comments. And how to get the Zotero and Word ready for doing all this thing, there is another video. I will provide the link in the description. So thank you very much. Hope that we can discuss more during our classes. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.